Fed up, understanding the phrase. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might have heard but might be unsure about. Fed up. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning, usage, and context. Fed up might sound like it's about food or eating, right? Let's look into it. Literal meaning. Literally, fed is the past tense of feed. So if you've given food to someone, you've fed them. But when we say someone is fed up, we're not talking about them having eaten too much food. Figurative meaning. In English, being fed up means being frustrated, annoyed, or tired of a situation or behavior. It implies reaching a point where you can't tolerate something any longer. For example, I'm fed up with this traffic. She's fed up with her noisy neighbors. Now, let's see how this phrase can be integrated into different sentences. 1. I'm fed up with this rainy weather. It's been going on for weeks. 2. Are you fed up with studying? Take a break. 3. He's clearly fed up with the team's performance. Notice how the phrase can be used in various contexts, but the essence of annoyance or frustration remains consistent. To expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for fed up. Tired of, sick of, irritated by, bored with, over. For example, instead of saying, I'm fed up with this movie, you can say, I'm sick of this movie, or I'm over this movie. Alright, folks. Now you know the ins and outs of the phrase, fed up. It's a handy expression to show frustration or irritation about something. Remember, language is all about expression, and the more phrases you know, the better you can convey your feelings. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and see you next time.